Another Zaini, and this one Gabit Saleh. Apa tak kenal dia? Nanti kita kenal dia. So, first and foremost, very stop. Don't langgar traffic light. Okay, we don't want to, people viral ambil gambar. Traffic light berhenti, don't worry. When you don't see me, I'm your leader. If you don't see me anymore, you stop the traffic light. One of these guys will take over as leader. Okay. So once we sampai the trailhead is in Orang Asli village. There will be a support truck with drinks there, and there will be an ambulance from Datuk Camp. Just in case, if you need drink, we can get drinks from the support truck before we masuk and when we come out. The ambulance is there for just in case. Okay? Because we got a time limitation. We need to be back to here by 11.
Dengan dia lah. Uncle punya ibu. I princess style.
Are you ready, Rider? Sekejap dia tengah buat tu. Sekejap gini dia siap. Sekejap aku tak tahu jalan. Jangan ketinggal. Tak kurang ke best? Mana spek aku? Mana spek apa ni? Cepat apa ketinggal? betul. Yang licin sikit saya ni. Tak payah laju. Kalau adventure kau laju, dia slide, kau tak dapat tahan. Kau jalan lah, kau buat macam orang ke, jalan slow. Okey. Ambulance dengan tu sampai sini je.
Siapa?
Ambulance dengan hideout.
Betul.
Oh. Okey. Saya record diorang punya kawalan lah, dia macam kita nak terjatuh ke apa kan, tak boleh balance lah, kita hilang balancing, so kita akan lost sight ataupun kayak